Say the Sanskrit with me, Uddiyanasana. Uddiyanasana. So let's lie down on the belly. For this pose, I will have my legs separated as wide as my hips. Roll my shoulders back and down, palms of the hands facing up towards the ceiling and spreading my fingers. Okay, roll the shoulders back and down, lift the chest up, lift the legs up, engaging the glutes, lift the hands up as well. Feel the energy through your fingers and your toes. Stay here for 5 breaths and then relax. You can place one cheek on the side. Now you can come to Uddiyanasana from bird pose. You can come to Uddiyanasana from snake. Remember snake pose, extending your legs to the back, activating the glutes. Lift your chest up and your arms. Now lift the legs up and extend your palms up towards the ceiling. Spread the fingers and spread the toes. And release and relax. Now here's actually a counter pose. A counter pose is any time that you just release the spine and bring it back into alignment. So even lying down like that on the floor for 5 long breaths is not doing nothing. It's actually realigning the spine. It's a nice counter pose. Another counter pose that you can do for a back bend like this is the child's pose. So from bird pose, I release, place my hands under the shoulders, push into all fours gently, and continue on sitting down on my heels. Now what I want to do is open my knees a little bit so that my spine is straight and not really curled. So it brings you more of a release for the spine when your knees are further apart. That's it for Uddiyanasana bird pose. Congratulations again.